In this video, we will learn how to change wallpaper on desktop. So first, right click on the empty area of the desktop. From the context of the menu that appear, select the Personalize. This will be open the personalization settings window. In the personalization window, you will see the variety of options on the left side like the background. This section allows you choose and customize your desktop wallpaper. To select the new wallpaper, click on the background drop-down menu. You can choose from the default Windows wallpaper or click on the browse to locate and the image file from your computer. Once you find the image you want to use, select it and click to choose picture. Select it and choose to picture. Okay. You can also adjust how the wallpaper fits on your screen by selecting the option choose a fit. Click on the drop down menu. Option include the fill, fit, stretch, style, center, span. Okay. So choose the one of that look the best with your image and screen resolution. I just select the fit. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.